Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I will be showing you this makeup for Durga Ashtami, which is coming soon. So let's get this started. As always, I'll be prepping my skin with L'Oreal Hydra Fresh Moisturizer followed with Lakme Primer. I will be concealing my dark circle, acne marks, hyperpigmentation which is near my chin area with LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toffee. It has a very unique formula, never creases and gives even base. Now I am setting my concealer with L'Oreal Infallible Compact Powder. So for foundation, I am going with Lakme 3D foundation. The shade name is Cool Cinnamon. This shade is lighter to my skin tone, but I will tone it down with compact powder. This foundation do give a matte finish with a shine. It will suit oily and combination skin girls. I will set foundation with Faces Canada HD Compact Powder. I will fill my eyebrows with L'Oreal Brow Kit with angular brush. I am going to fill borders and sparse area. I will again use foundation to conceal the area to give a neat look. First I will take orange shade from Makeup Revolution palette and place it into my crease. Then with clean blending brush, I will blend it thoroughly to diffuse the harsh line. Blending is key to achieve a good eye makeup, so take your time and blend it properly. Then I will take reddish brown color from the same palette and place it in outer corner to create some depth. I will be taking golden eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution palette. The palette name is Chocolate Vice. I will place it from inner corner of my eyes till center of my eyelid and again blend the edges. Next, with the help of the concealer, I'll be cleaning out the fallouts. To highlight my brow bone, I will take champagne color from the same palette and place it right under the arch. For eyeliner, I am using L'Oreal Paris Liner Magique and Shimmer Gel Liner to fill lower lash line. I will also tightline the upper lash line with same gel liner, and with black color from Makeup Revolution palette, I will smudge the lower lash line to give a smoky effect. To add some structure to my face, I am using Color Bar Flawless Touch Contouring and Highlighter Kit and contouring my face and jawline. I am using Be Fierce from L'Oreal Paris as a blush. It is highly pigmented blush, highly recommended to medium to deep skin tone girls. I am using golden highlighter from brand Jacqueline, highlighting my cheeks, bridge of the nose and chin. Since my sari has red border and the theme is red, I am going with red lipstick from Shimmer. Shade name is Russian Doll. To finish out this look, I am adding sindoor and large bindi, and here is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.